Welcome to a Glyma sense-making tutorial on map reading. You've been given access to a Glyma site with maps to check out. What do they mean? How do you read them? This tutorial aims to explain to you what the icons on the Glyma maps represent and how to read the maps. Your maps are made up of a connection of icons called nodes. A node is a singular piece of information that has been captured. Your map will contain about 4 basic node types. These are the question node type, the idea, the pro, and the con. A question node represents a question or issue to be discussed. A question is the starting point of a map. Each map will start with a question node because the reason for the group coming together is to answer or explore an issue. Framing the issue as a question opens up the discussion and enables the group to consider all possible solutions. An idea node represents a possible answer or idea responding to a question. A pro represents a reason in favor of an idea or evidence to support the idea. Pros are not positive or good things about an idea. They are reasons to pick an idea as an answer or part of an answer to a question. A con node represents a reason to argue against the idea or evidence not to support the idea. Cons are not negative or bad things about the idea. They are reasons to reject an idea as an answer or part of an answer to a question. Now that you understand what the nodes mean, how do you read the maps? Let's do this by using an example map, the discussion on implementation of System X. So here is a discussion on how do we implement System X. The group came up with 3 possible options along with their pros and cons. The pros represent the reasons why the group might choose the options, and the cons represent the reasons why they would not go for the options. The options are do it ourselves, engage consultants, co-developed with consultants. Let's read the map. How should we implement System X? We could do it ourselves because it will give us an opportunity to learn on the job and it will improve our knowledge of the technology. Unfortunately, we can't do it ourselves because we have no in-house skills. We could engage external consultants because we don't have in-house skills to do it ourselves, and the job will be completed quicker. However, this option will put us more at risk for cost blowout than if we were to do it ourselves. We could co-develop with external consultants because we can use outside expertise where needed. We can develop our own skills. It will reduce implementation time compared to doing it ourselves. And we will be less exposed to cost blowout compared to just engaging consultants alone. This question here, because it links back to the main question, asks that regardless of what options we choose, what criteria do we have to abide by when making a choice of which option to go with? Which of the above options will fit within our budget and priority 1 features of the scoping document can be implemented by the end of the year? The group decided that co-development was the way to go, so I will change this idea node to a decision node. Note, decision nodes represent ideas that have been changed to decisions. Decisions don't pop up by themselves. They arise from ideas that the group has explored and has agreed to convert to decisions. And that ends this tutorial. I hope this has been helpful. Should you have any feedback or queries, please feel free to contact us.